Welcome. In front of me is HONOR MagicBook X16 Pro, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install Windows 11 from USB on this laptop. So all that we are gonna need for this operation is a USB flash drive with at least 8 GB of available storage on it. If you have some files on your flash drive, then back them up somewhere if you can. And the other thing that we're gonna need is the PC with internet access, which we are gonna need for creating a bootable USB flash drive from our regular USB flash drive. We are gonna need to install the ISO image and also some drivers for this operation to be completed properly. So let me just switch to a different PC. And you can insert your USB flash drive in it. Okay, open your web browser and look for Windows 11 ISO. Then scroll down to download Windows 11 website on Microsoft.com webpage. Scroll all the way down the page, then select the Windows 11 Multi-Edition ISO right here. Then click confirm and wait until your request is validated. It's gonna take a couple of seconds. Then select the product language on the list and select confirm. Then wait until your download is ready, and once it is, select 64-bit download. As you can see, the ISO image is being downloaded. In the meantime, we can open a second tab and search for the Rufus program that we're gonna need for creating an ISO image. So once you find a Rufus .ie website, open it, then scroll down to download section and then download this Rufus 4.9 execution file. And if it doesn't run on your PC, then go with this one, with x86 version. Okay, so once the Rufus is downloaded, you can try to open it, and if it works, that's great. If it doesn't, use this version right here. So okay, let's open it and leave it for a while. Now we are also gonna need a wireless LAN driver in order to connect to a Wi-Fi later on during the setup process on this laptop. So let me open a third tab and then here look up HONOR MagicBook X16 drivers. You'll see the official HONOR website, HONOR MagicBook X16 support, or maybe just go to honor.com driver download service instead, where you can select the product type, laptops, product series, HONOR MagicBook X series, and product model, HONOR MagicBook X16, and search, and here select WLAN option, click the download icon right here and wait until the driver is downloaded. Now let's go back to Rufus, since I can see that Windows 11 ISO image is already downloaded. In Rufus, in device section, select your USB flash drive, then click select right here and find your Windows 11 ISO image. Click open. As you can see, we have a lot of options right here, but you don't need to change anything. Just click start. No checkboxes need to be checked in here. If you have some checked, then you can uncheck them and click OK. click OK again. I want to tell you that I want to mention that if you have some files on your USB flash drive, then remove them before performing this operation. And once you're ready, click OK, and then wait until the status bar says ready. Okay, and in the meantime we can actually unpack the driver. So go to the folder where you have your driver, then right click your driver and select open with driver folder, select open with file explorer, go to software, then right click this app, click open, and here you are gonna have your LAN driver, so just copy it from here and paste it into your downloads folder. Let me try again. Okay, so for now I unpacked this file into the documents folder. Now wait until the status bar in the Rufus program says ready. Okay, and when the status bar says ready, you can close this program. Now grab your driver and bring it to your flash drive. Basically just paste it here. Okay, and now you can safely eject your USB flash drive and return to the laptop. And now insert the USB flash drive into the laptop. Now once your USB flash drive is inserted and the power plug is connected to your device, so it's powered up all the time, just press power button once and then when your laptop, okay, let me turn off this laptop. I thought it was turned off already. I was mistaken. So turn on your laptop by pressing power button once and then immediately start pressing F12 button until you can see the boot menu on your screen. In boot menu you can navigate using your arrow keys or also your touchpad if you can. So here select your USB device using down arrow key and then press enter to confirm, and then just wait until the USB boots up. Now here you can navigate using your tab key in order to select to change options. So you cannot change the language to install, but if you select time and currency formats, you can use down and up arrow keys in order to change the format to the one that you need. Then press tab several more times until you have the next option selected and press enter to continue. The same way you can also change the keyboard or input method, then press enter to continue, then press tab once to have this I agree everything will be deleted, including files, apps and settings. option, then press spacebar to confirm and press enter. Now you're gonna have to enter the product key. Now if you don't have it, don't worry, it's gonna be entered automatically later. So select press tab to select I don't have a product key option, then press enter, then select a Windows version that you're gonna need. You can navigate using down and up arrow keys again. I'm gonna select Windows 11 Pro and press enter, then press enter to accept the press tab several times until you have the accept option selected, then press enter to accept the user agreement to continue. And now we're gonna have to clean the disks, the partitions basically. So in front of you, you can see the 4 partitions that need to be deleted before installing Windows 11. To delete each of these partitions, you can press. You have to select them first using your down and up arrow keys, and then once one of these partitions is selected, press Alt D combination of keys and wait until the partition is deleted. So select one partition, then select Alt D. And we have 2 partitions left. Okay, and right now we are left with 954 or almost gigabytes of unallocated space. Now this is gonna be the disk C, so the system disk. But if you want to have a separate disk on your laptop, then in such case, press tab several times until you have the create partition option selected, and to create a partition press enter and then provide the size of the new partition in megabytes. You have 976,000 megabytes available, but before you create a new partition, I need to say that you have to leave at least 100 gigabytes of empty space for your main disk, the system disk, in order for your system to work properly. So please take that to account. So basically what you can do is that you can create basically several partitions, which summary size will be this much megabytes, 760 megabytes. If you want to apply, click apply. If you want to cancel, click cancel. Again, navigate using your tab key and confirm using enter. Okay, but for me, I'm gonna just select unallocated space and press enter, and this will make just one disk, which will be the system one. I don't need separate disks on this laptop, so press enter and then press tab several times to select install option. Press enter and Windows will begin the installation. Now just wait until Windows 11 is installed on your PC. Okay, and at this point the installation is complete. So now let me show you what you're gonna have to do through the setup process, through the beginning. So first of all, select the right country or region for you to navigate using use down and up arrow keys, and to select press enter. The same goes for the input method. Click yes. Then if you want to add a second keyboard layout, you can press tab several times, then press enter to add layout. Otherwise just click enter to skip. And now To connect to a network, you're gonna have to need to download a driver, and to do that, press Shift F10 combination of keys, then press Alt tab 2 times to have this CMD window open selected. And in this CMD window, let me show you, you're gonna have to input D with 2 dots and press enter. And if it doesn't accept D, then go E, F and L, go along with the alphabet. All we want to do is select the USB flash drive disk. I think it's 99% is gonna be D, but if it's not, it's probably E or something. Okay, so right now input dir and press enter. Now you're gonna have to find this file right here that you pasted into your onto your USB flash drive, and just enter its name right here. So input Intel, and basically press tab, and it's gonna autofill with the full name of the driver. Just press enter, and right now press enter again to install the driver. And wait until it's installed. Now you're gonna have to reboot your device, so press enter to reboot it now, and wait until your device is restarted. And now let's go through the setup process again to the Wi-Fi connection point to see if the Wi-Fi driver is installed properly. And as you can see, it is installed properly. So at this point I'm gonna finish the video. If you need some help during the installation process, you can check an entire video on our channel where I explain everything step by step. So if you need it, go ahead and check it out. And for this one, that will be all. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.